It's that time of year, it's getting a little bit cold, you know, and we need to get into our winter veggies. Obviously, you know, we're going to make our soups and our stews and our bakes, you know, our winter comfort food. There's a lot of different varieties, a lot of different vegetables. We're lucky to be able to have the selections here. So just looking at some things that we could use and maybe something a little bit on the different side, like our Jerusalem artichokes here. They're a funny looking little thing. They sort of look a little bit gingery sort of thing. They're actually a tuber. They're called Jerusalem artichokes. There's no relationship to Jerusalem, and they're actually not an artichoke. They're a little bit difficult to peel, but you get them peeled and you slice them, you can bake them, grill them, fry them. People put them in soups and stews, and they are absolutely beautiful. There's a sort of sweet, nutty flavour, but they're so versatile. So just let your imagination run wild, do some research, find some recipes, and to cook them, because they are lovely. I haven't met anybody who's tried them who hasn't liked them, and that's what the idea is. Get out there, go to your local, get to your little independent greengrocer, ask him about Jerusalem artichokes. He'll have them. If he hasn't, he can find them. You'll get to the markets and he'll find them for you. They are a taste sensation. Our humble beetroot, so underrated. Use them for our juicing. I just like to slice them into good little quarters and bake them. I eat them like that. I just absolutely love these beetroot. Grate them in your salads, absolutely beautiful. Cheap as chips, so versatile. Little cherry tomatoes, coming into good supply now. Summer or winter, great little nature's candy. Just pop one of them in you. Just nature's candy, like little lollies. They're beautiful. And who doesn't like tomatoes? Kids love tomatoes. We all love tomatoes. Great healthy snacks, and all the children love them. Baby brock. Who doesn't like broccoli and broccolini? Who doesn't like that stuff? Great for the kids, great in your stir fries, absolutely beautiful. I love them. Oh, who hasn't put a bit of celery in their soup and chopped it up and put it in their stews? It's absolutely gorgeous. You can't make a soup or a stew without a bit of celery in there. Absolutely gorgeous and cheap, so affordable, and the quality is spot on this time of year. We've got zucchinis, so many different uses for them. Real simple, slice them thin, get a little bit of oil on them, get a little bit of pepper on them, whack them on the barbecue. Capsicum, what I like to do, put them on a barbecue really slowly. Let them cook really slowly. When the skin starts to blister, peel the skin off, stick them in a container, put a bar mix over them, turn them into paste, whack a bit of roasted garlic through it. Oh, a taste sensation. And I do eggplant on the barbecue, absolutely gorgeous. Little tip, put a bit of salt on, take the bitterness out. All you've got to do is just let your imagination run wild. Australia is blessed with so much vegetables here that we can use, and they're so affordable. Well, get to citymarkets.com.au, check out our recipes. There's hundreds there for all our different products. This is just a small sample of what we have here in this country. citymarkets.com.au, recipes, heaps of them. Sydney Markets is the biggest central marketing system in the Southern Hemisphere. We are the quickest and most efficient way to get fresh produce into your fruit shops. Your local greengrocer, he's the guy to go to. If he hasn't got what you need, ask him, he'll get them. Best knowledge, freshest way to get your products from the farm to your plate. Your local.